This is actually insane and probably one of the most nerve-wracking moments working on a car. Forgot this ground strap. Good thing we noticed though. Good thing we noticed. Actually, I'm thinking just ala por ese lado and I'm gonna ala por aquí. Oh my god. Oh. What?
The entire rear end is lowered, but when we tried pulling it, it was much too heavy. So I'm using a pry bar at the very front so we can get the spline out from inside of the engine. And in the process, pushing everything out.
Okay. Don't let this distract you from the fact it's my first time ever working on an American car, and it's one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I mean, we're dropping the whole and we're dropping 70% of the car right now. This is insanely awesome. Hey, bájalo por allá un poco. A little bit. Let's see Kevin's trigger finger. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, if you come down here, we have done it. We have dropped the entire rear end of a Corvette. It's gonna be really interesting how logistically we're gonna make this work because we can't move this to the front of the car and the chassis is gonna be right here, but that's a story for another day.